Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I should say good morning because it's quite early in the morning today. If you guys don't know where I live in southern Ontario, that's in Canada. I live very close to the US border. So I thought for an interesting kind of like take on the thrift with me today, sir, that we would thrift in the United States, the US. So we're gonna take a trip across the border. We're gonna go to some Savers, we're gonna go to some Goodwills. Now if you guys see me thrift at Value Village, I guess they're like brother sister companies. So Savers is the US version, Value Village is the Canadian version. Yeah, I don't know, we're just gonna go and see how different it is. I know that one thing that will be extremely different is the prices, because when I see US YouTubers thrift, I'm just like, $1.99 for a t-shirt. I have Jordan here, he's hiding, but he's going to help me film this thrift with me today, and just like accompany me on this journey. So yeah, let's get going. We got a 2-hour drive ahead of us. So we are just crossing the border right now. Well, not the border, we're taking the bridge across the water. So we are just getting a cart. Our first stop is Goodwill that we've come to. We were gonna go to a Savers first, but I don't know, it was like demolished or something. So we're here, we're gonna start with Goodwill. Typical Tasha fashion, let's start in home decor. I feel like that's usually the easiest place to start. So this is what we're dealing with. This guy's really cute. These guys are kind of cool. They're like wicker, I don't even know, little pots that are like attached to each other. $3.39. So that's our first shot at prices. Favorite kind of section. What is this guy? Jordan says napkin holder, most likely. He's probably right. I always think things are for other things, but they're always just for napkins. We got like a picnic basket down here. And just, I guess, other baskety things. But this guy was kind of cool. He's got like a wooden little top and wooden bottom, but this just came off, so probably not. So in the office, this is really loud, I'm very sorry, but in the office I really need a like garbage can. There's this one and this one. There's also this one. Which one is your guys' favorite of the three? This one is $3 and this one has no price. I thought this was really cool, just a cute box, and then I opened it. It's actually for coasters, but there's only one coaster. This pressed flower frame is really nice. It's kind of, you know, falling apart, but dead butterflies, they kind of freak me out. But I think it's really cool. So people were saying that they like the mirrors that I find. I found this one, which I thought was really awesome, but it has all of this like glue. So I'm gonna pass on it. It was $3, but it has so much glue on it. I just feel like sometimes you just have to say no to things if it's gonna take too much time to actually like fix them. We are in like the photo mirror section though, but I didn't see anything other than like this printed daisy thing. Do we like this? I kind of like this. Maybe it's just because it's brown, but as like a comfy around the house sweater. What do you guys think? Yay, nay? Okay guys, we're gonna start going through clothing now. I just did this aisle. We found that sweater.
Ugh, looks like the catch at our old cottage.
It looks very Harry Styles. I think Harry Styles could pull this off. Harry Styles might be the only person that could pull this off. So we have come to dresses. I still have to do tank tops, but we're gonna quickly do dresses since we're here. Guys, look at these amazing PJs. Just doing a quick little shoe check. We don't have a lot, so I think I can do this decently quick. We are also trying to go to as many places as we can today. So if I'm going a bit quick, there's reasoning. Found this. Jordan's not the biggest fan, But I think it's really cute and cozy, and we're having the debate, you guys. Right now, pause the video and go comment down below and say yes horse sweater or no horse sweater. I want to see how many of you were like on my side. So we left Goodwill. I got 2 things, not that much. I feel like you know what? We didn't get the horse sweater. We didn't get the horse sweater. If you were rooting for the horse sweater, we didn't get it. But I did get this guy for my office, just a little garbage can. I really liked the detailing. He was a little bit more unique than the ones I've seen. And I also got that sweater that you guys saw. I think it looks really cool. It's not like perfect, but I really liked it. So I think it'll be a nice little addition to my wardrobe, but I only got 2 things. Now we are at Savers. So I have a lot of high hopes for Savers. I'm hoping that we can get a lot of good stuff. So let's do this. Oh, you already know. I will say that right off the bat, this is a value village. Like, it is exactly the same as the ones that we have at home that you see me thrifting all the time. Exactly the same. It's the same signage. It's equally as big. I love dogs. So all these baskets, we saw this one, which we thought was really cool. The only thing is it's a bit dirty, so it would need a lot of cleaning. Saw this guy. Thought he was really cool as a watering can, but he has a hole in the bottom, so you can actually use him as that. But you could plant like a plant in it or something. I really like this. It says bonbon in it. Not a fan of that, but it's a cool kind of bowl. Anyways, not much else, really. Look at this little tea kettle set. And literally has the thing that it sits on. It's so cute. I don't need this, but I just really want to show it to you. You guys, I love stuff like this. I'm wondering, is this anyone's color? Like, should I, and when I have stuff in the store, like, should I be having green things? Does anyone like green? Is that like a color that I should add to the store? I'm just wondering, because I just saw this. I was like, well, I really like this. Just a question. Gold magazine rack. It's only $2.99, but like, do people really use magazine racks? Let's go to clothing. Get our shop on. Ladies wear, dresses. Let's start in dresses. Not a single dress I remotely liked. So I'm gonna be honest, I'm a little disappointed for how big it is, but not really liking anything. I'm just showing you guys kind of the hats and yeah, I don't know. Happened to stumble across this in the bathing suits. It's really cute. It's got like a built-in bra. It's $3.99. It's like kind of like t-shirty material. I don't know, I just thought I'd show it to you guys because it's kind of cool. They're catching on. They have like all these straw kind of bags in like one section to make our lives easier. Y'all, I didn't buy anything. What the heck? Who am I? Wasn't that great? It was really big. Wasn't that great? Like, honestly, I used to think like, oh, there's probably so many better thrift stores in like further away places, and now I'm like, you know what? I got some dang good thrift stores where I live. So, okay, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take a break, we're gonna get some food, and then I think we might hit up like, there's 2 more Goodwills around. I feel like we had better look at Goodwill, so maybe we'll go to 2 more of those. So check back in a hot second. This just in, we found another Goodwill. There was 2 that were kind of close nearby. This one, the reviews say the new store is such a nice upgrade. It's much larger. It's so unbelievably neat and clean. This one says you could eat off the floor. So apparently this one has like great reviews, so we are gonna go in here and see what it's all about. I'm hoping we have good luck here because I don't know, when you thrift at 2 stores and you don't have that great of luck, it kind of makes you feel like, I don't really feel like thrifting, and that's a bit what I feel like today, although I did get a couple things. I don't know, I liked the first Goodwill we went to, so let's go and see if we have the same look. So this is what the store looks like. It's really big. Kind of is equally as clean as the last one, I'd say. Look at this, you guys. How awesome this is. $3.99? $3.39? Get this guy. So much good wicker stuff. So far I am impressed with what I am seeing. Found this guy, was debating him as a garbage can. He's a bit taller. This guy's pretty cool. What is this? Oh, it's one of those chairs, babe. These go for so much money at home. You know those ones?
Yeah. Isn't that like your chair, sort of?
Sort of. But like the actual thing that you put in it, like at home at Pier 1, it's like 500 bucks or something crazy.
Like the cushion?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Let's get that and put the puppies in it. Saw these shoes, really liked them. But they made, you know what, I could just not make myself upset. They are, what size are they? Oh, they are my size, damn it. But this is leather, this top part, so. Fuck. Really bummed about this. Wish people would stop making things out of animals. Look at the back of this dress. Isn't that just absolutely stunning? The front, not as nice. Like I'm not a big fan of that guy in the middle, but also has a lot of really beautiful detailing. Has a stain. I feel like everything here has a stain, but I didn't get anything. I've noticed that a lot of the stuff that I liked either was like ripped, had stains on them. So there are reasons why I ended up not getting them. I'm not saying that thrifting in the States by any means is bad, but I just think here, I'm in like Buffalo, New York, it's not good. Yeah, so I don't know. It obviously, you guys know as well as I do that it depends on what city you live in and what city you go to and where the best, like I know where the best thrifting places are around me, and that's not Toronto, you know what I mean? So I'm not saying that it's bad by any means, but here just wasn't that great. I just obviously get a couple things, but just nothing that like I was overly like, yeah, wow, like amazing luck today. So that's pretty much my experience of thrifting in the States. It wasn't that great. I mean, I was kind of hoping it would be a bit better, but what can you do? I hope that was like a little bit different for you guys. Like I said, I really only got like the basket and the sweater, but I think it was still important to kind of like come and do so that I know for like next time if it's worth it, if it's worth to come all this way just to thrift. Thank you guys for watching. I'm sorry I don't really have much to haul for you guys, but you know, you can't win everyone. I love you guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.